Hello, future IELTS conquerors! Welcome back to IELTS Success, the place where we turn your IELTS dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many, the cost of the IELTS exam. Is it just a pricey ticket to your dreams, or is there more to the story? Stick around as we explore the true value of the IELTS examination. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights and tips. The numbers. First, let's talk numbers. The IELTS exam fee varies from country to country, but it's no secret that it can be a significant investment. But what are you really paying for? Beyond the test itself, you're investing in a globally recognized certification, access to opportunities abroad, and a brighter future. Millions of people have walked the IELTS path before. Success stories come from students of all backgrounds who've unlocked doors to international education and career advancements, all thanks to their IELTS scores. By the way, I want to hear from you. Do you think the IELTS exam is expensive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights are invaluable to our community. Preparation, strategy, and avoiding common pitfalls. But it's not just about the cost. It's about preparation, strategy, and avoiding common pitfalls. Let's dive into some of the critical mistakes to avoid and how to maximize your investment in the IELTS examination. Reading section mistakes. First, let's talk about the reading section. Many candidates struggle here, not because they lack the ability, but because they approach it without a plan. A critical mistake is skimming too quickly, missing key details. To master this section, practice active reading. Highlight keywords, understand the context, and most importantly, practice with time constraints. This will not only improve your speed, but also your accuracy. Writing section mistakes. Now let's look at the writing section. Not understanding the question properly is a huge mistake candidates make. Many test takers fail to fully understand what the question is asking, leading to off-topic essays. Additionally, they exercise poor time management. Test takers often spend too much time on task 1, leaving insufficient time for task 2, which is worth more marks. Furthermore, many candidates make the critical mistake of overusing complex sentences. Trying to impress the examiner with overly complex sentences can backfire if the sentences are full of errors. Listening section mistakes. Regarding the listening section, IELTS candidates can make the critical mistake of losing concentration. Candidates must maintain a high level of concentration throughout the test to catch details and understand the context of conversations or monologues. This sustained focus without breaks can be mentally draining. Moreover, the listening section includes a range of accents, including British, American, Australian, and Canadian. Adapting to different accents and styles of speaking without pause requires significant mental agility. To combat this, it is recommended that the IELTS candidate strengthen their ability to concentrate by taking timed IELTS listening tests. An excellent resource for this is listed in the description below this video. If you would like to take an actual realistic mock test, which includes the listening test, I recommend you going to Practical IELTS, where you can take online mock tests that replicate the actual IELTS test. Click on the Practical link in the description below this video to do so. You can also get unlimited access to over 500 hours of IELTS courses to help you prepare for the exam. Speaking section mistakes. Critical mistakes IELTS test takers make while taking the speaking section of the examination include displaying a lack of fluency and hesitation. Candidates hesitate and use fillers excessively. They also use a limited vocabulary. Using a limited range of vocabulary can significantly affect their speaking scores. Not expanding on their answers can also hurt their overall scores. Giving short, unelaborated answers is a common critical mistake. For more tips and strategies on how to overcome these and other mistakes, check out our other videos here on IELTS Success. Each tip, each strategy is a step closer to not just passing the IELTS, but acing it. So, is the IELTS worth the price? Absolutely, if you're prepared to make the most of it. Remember, it's not just a test, it's a gateway to a world of opportunities. And we're here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies. Together, we'll make your IELTS journey a success. Remember, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Keep going, keep studying, keep striving, and you'll achieve your IELTS goals. See you in the next video!